When I was talking with Sean of Mashamaro and I heard about this project that he was working on, I literally was just blown away. All right, y'all, so the new CF brace is in. Man, this looks good. I am so stoked. So I haven't put my carbon strut brace back in yet, of course. I wanted to give you the cleanest view of this completely reinstalled. Of course, you've got, on this case, I've got a Mishimoto oil catch can, and I love these guys. I was initially worried that this was going to hit this lip edge of the carbon fiber, but the carbon fiber pretty much mimics what the steel is doing. And so this gap right here that's on the brace for the oil catch can fits perfectly. Just huge shout out to Mishimoto. Now, one quick thing that just as a reminder, do not over torque any of these bolts. You know, you're sandwiching carbon fiber here between steel. So if you cranked on it way too hard, you could crack it. So all of these should be down firm and snug. When you look at the bolts here for your carbon fiber strut bar, look in the video description. I'll have the torque value there, but don't exceed the torque value. And there's a note, like I mentioned, from Mashamaro about don't exceed the torque value putting these down, because potentially, I mean, if you really cranked on it, you would turn the steel threads here inside a carbon fiber and break it free, and that's not something that's covered under their warranty, which I wouldn't expect them to, right? I'm going to put the strut bar back in, and I'll show you when it's all done. This looks so good. I am so pleased to have this in my car. This really is kind of one of those ultimate engine bay upgrades. All right, y'all, all done good and clean up and put your tools away, and you can tell this is not a hard install at all. And I am incredibly excited to have this in my car. When I was talking with Sean of Mashamaro and I heard about this project that he was working on, I literally was just blown away. This is really kind of a world premiere, one in the entire world kind of product. You're not gonna find this from every vendor and every company that makes carbon fiber. This is incredible. Developed in-house from Sean of Mashamaro. It's incredibly well designed. The pictures alone don't do it justice. It's some of the cleanest, best looking carbon fiber I've ever seen. It's gonna be strong, it's gonna be light, and it's gonna look great. You know, every car show from this point forward, I'm gonna have my hood up the entire time. So thank you so much for Mashamaro for making such a fantastic product. Thanks to Sean personally, fantastic guy. You should make sure to check him out. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to my channel, and I have a ton of content to bring to you like this and even more that I cannot wait. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next project.